Installing a new door is a great way to enhance the security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your home. However, like many home improvement projects, door installation requires attention to detail. In Sumter, where weather conditions can vary and the style of homes is diverse, it's crucial to avoid common mistakes during the installation process. Whether you're installing an exterior door, an interior door, or even replacing an old door, making the right decisions during installation will ensure that your door functions properly and lasts for years. Here are some common mistakes to avoid during door installation in Sumter. Choosing the wrong type of door. The first step to a successful door installation is selecting the right type of door for your home. Whether you're installing a front door, patio door, or interior door, it's essential to choose one that meets both your aesthetic and functional needs. For example, a solid wood door might look elegant but may not be ideal for high humidity or extreme weather conditions that can be common in Sumter. Similarly, choosing a door with poor insulation properties can lead to higher energy costs. Mistake to avoid: failing to consider climate factors and the purpose of the door when making your selection. Always research the best materials and designs that will suit your specific environment. Improper measurement. Accurate measurements are essential for a door to fit properly in its frame. Many people make the mistake of assuming that a door will fit the existing frame without taking precise measurements. Even a small discrepancy can lead to a door that doesn't close properly, drafts that increase energy costs, or an overall misalignment that affects the door's functionality. Mistake to avoid: double-check all measurements before purchasing your door. Measure the width, height, and depth of the frame, and ensure that the door's dimensions match those of the opening. If you're unsure about your measurements, consider hiring a professional to ensure accuracy. Neglecting to properly seal the door. One of the most common mistakes during door installation is failing to properly seal the door. Gaps around the door frame can lead to drafts, water leaks, and a decrease in energy efficiency. In Sumter, where humidity and rainfall are common, it's essential to use proper sealing materials to prevent moisture from seeping in and causing damage. Mistake to avoid: skipping the sealing process or using poor quality weather stripping. Use high-quality foam or rubber weather stripping, and make sure the door frame is properly sealed to ensure airtight installation. Forgetting to check the door swing. When installing a door, the direction in which the door swings can make a significant difference in its functionality. Whether it's an interior door or an exterior one, not paying attention to which way the door opens can create space issues, safety concerns, or even make it difficult to enter and exit a room. Mistake to avoid: forgetting to check the door swing before installation. Make sure the door swings in the right direction, considering the layout of the room or entryway. If it's an exterior door, think about how the weather will affect the door's exposure to the elements. Incorrect installation of the door frame. A door's frame is the structural element that supports the door. If the frame is not level or square, the door will not function properly. An uneven frame can lead to sticking doors, poor closure, and security concerns. Additionally, improper installation of the frame can cause the door to wear out prematurely. Mistake to avoid: installing the door frame incorrectly. Use a level and make sure the frame is square and properly aligned before installing the door. If the frame is not level, the door will not close properly, leaving gaps that can lead to drafts or water infiltration. Using low-quality hardware. Using low-quality hardware for the installation can undermine the door's effectiveness and longevity. The hinges, locks, and handles should be sturdy and durable, especially for exterior doors exposed to the elements. Using inferior materials can result in malfunctioning parts, which could compromise security or cause damage to the door. Mistake to avoid: cutting corners by using low-quality hardware. Invest in durable, weather-resistant hardware that matches the door's design and provides the necessary functionality. Skipping professional help. While DIY projects can be fun, installing a door correctly requires precision and expertise. A common mistake is underestimating the complexity of the task, resulting in doors that don't fit, are misaligned, or have functional issues. Mistake to avoid: skipping professional help if you're unsure about the installation process. Hiring an experienced professional in Sumter ensures that the job is done correctly, saving you time and avoiding costly mistakes down the line. Conclusion: door installation is an important task that can impact your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall aesthetic appeal. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you achieve a successful installation that adds value to your home. Whether you're handling the installation yourself or working with a professional, careful planning, attention to detail, and proper techniques are key to ensuring that your new door functions well and lasts for years to come.